Hi everyone, my name is Peter Pikalski. Today we are starting a new model. And what is the legend for this model? Uh, for example, you have a business idea. You know nothing, almost nothing about Excel. You need somehow to persuade yourself that this is a business idea worthwhile trying. You have to start a conversation with your business partner. So this will be the creation of this model will be a good step to start negotiations with your business partners. But first of all, you have to persuade yourself that that this business idea is profitable. The payback period is not so long. So today we will start creation of a very simple financial model that will help you to understand first of all yourself what is the profitability of your business idea, and then to start a conversation with business partner or a bank or an investor. So this will be a good start. You will learn a lot from this model if you didn't have it before. So as usually, I have a clean Microsoft Excel tab, and let's start. I will make some preparations for that. So first of all, let's create the timeline. The first year of projections will be, for example, 2022. We will have 10-year horizon. So this will be the input. So this will be the color of all our inputs through the whole financial model. Then we will have the list of months. So now let's move to our goods or services list that we're going to produce or sell. Let's call it goods and services list. Name. So here we will place the list of our goods or services that we are going to produce or resell. It doesn't matter. So let's say good or service 1. Let's say we're going to where we will have 10 goods or services. This is the input, so we are marking these cells with blue because blue is the unique color for all our inputs, like this. So now what we're doing now, we are setting up the price dollar per unit of a good or a service. Then what we are doing, we will later need to include or exclude different goods or services from our calculations. As soon as we have the cash flow statement done, we will be able to switch on and off different goods and services from calculations and see what will be the revenues, expenses, what will be the payback period, how much financing we will need if we switch on and off different goods and services from calculations. So for that purpose we are creating on-off buttons. We will use for that purpose we will use view data validation, a list, here we will use the formula if this one equals to this. Here we are freezing the cell, then we put 1, otherwise 0. This will make us switch on and off different goods and services from calculations. Then we will add a coefficient to price, so we will be able to play with coefficients also when we are done with our financial model. Then we set up sales plan, units per month, sales plan, we will put it a little bit, displace it to the right. Price final. Price will be this multiplied this. So for example, if we want to completely switch off goods or service number 6 from calculations, we will do like this. We will have 0 here, or we just want to decrease the price by 50%, and that's it. So we can use different coefficients to play with data. So now we're moving to the sales plan. So these are the inputs, so we mark them with blue also. Then we have coefficient to sales plan. Sales plan final. So we are multiplying this, and this. So if we want to switch off, as usual, we can do it like this. If we want to increase the sales twice, we can do like this. So all this will be needed for scenario modeling when our financial model will be ready, when we will see the cash flow statement, when we will see the simple discounted payback period, for example. Then cost of sale, cost per unit. So here is the price, here is the amount, so here is the final price, here is the final sales plan per month. Then we specify the direct expenses, cost of sales. So let's say the cost of sales will be, we will have it as a percentage, so it will be 20% of the price, of the final price. So this is the input. Then cost of sales, then coefficient cost of sale coefficient, so cost of sale will be this value, price, multiplied 20%, and then we multiply on this coefficient. Cost of sale final dollar final dollar per unit. So for example, as usual, if we want to switch off something, it is switched, or if we want to increase the cost of sale twice, for example, we can do it like this without touching it. So it will be easy, very easy for us to play with all these coefficients when the model will be done, many steps ahead. So here we have price, sales plan, direct expenses. So this is the first block that you have to explain first of all to yourself. What is the price of goods and services you are going to sell? Then what is the how many goods and services you are going to sell monthly, and what is the cost of sale per one goods or services in your list. So this is the first you have to think about when you have a business idea. So this is the topic of our first video. If you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe. The next video will be modeling the timeline. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.